good, guys? It's your girl Dana. Welcome back to my channel, Ahooperstouch. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Woo! I had to hurry up and get that intro out of the way because I am coming back with some good news. As you all know by the title of this video, it is check-in week 2. And girl, guys, you know how I said I need to step it up? Let's just see what I weighed in as this week. Right here. Yes, you seen it. 4 pounds. Talk to me nice. 4 pounds. And that was us up in our water. It's still not at a gallon, but we upped it. Meal prep, kinda, not really. I am planning to meal prep this upcoming week, so I'll definitely insert that in our next video. And I did have some questions, but I want to see if we have a few more questions rolling in so I can make a whole video out of it for next week, along with the check-in. Y'all, I just don't know what to say. 4 pounds. The week before, I lost 2 pounds. So our very first check-in, I lost 2 pounds. And then this check-in, I lost 4. Brings our grand total to, 6 pounds. So we doing it. And my goal for, which was one of y'all questions, but I was going to answer it next week, but I'm answering it this week. My goal for this month was to be at 230. When I first started working out with my trainer, maybe a few months ago, I was 240. And now I'm 230. This past weekend, I weighed in at 230. So since we have a whole nother week of this month, I told myself I wanted to lose 10 pounds, but I'm going to keep it at 10 pounds. But I feel like I can do 5. I feel like I can up it from this past week. But I am so hyped. Even if I only lost 2 pounds, I was still been hyped. So let me tell you how hype my trainer was this week. I'm about to put these videos in right now.
Saw something special, you didn't push on me, you didn't know effort. You said pull up on me, my actions show better. I like how you moving, you do it, no error. You've always been patient with me, texting back and forth, not sweating my knees. You gave me my space up that you never leave. Your vibe got me anxious, somewhere this can lead. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be scared of me. It's not what it seems. And I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere. No need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. Take you there, take you there, take you there, take you there, take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. You keep it so smooth with me. Take me out to show me some new things.
Y'all seen that? Why didn't he just let me do me after I felt like that? When I tell y'all, these workouts had my legs burning. He took leg day to a whole nother level. But we still got one more.
And I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere. No need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there. And I'ma be right here for you.
Y'all see how hype he was? Why he had me doing half of those workouts? Like, he keeps saying, I don't want you to be mediocre. Do you want to be mediocre? You're not mediocre. Mediocre never hurt nobody. Mediocre still loses pounds. You have me turning into like a Spartan warrior. Which, you know, y'all watch Sparta, right? Or 300? Sparta. 300? Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a six pack. You feel me? But I am definitely finally seeing some progress with this, with my training. It took a while for me to see it, but now I'm just kind of hungry for more. I'm hungry for me to get back to my pre-baby weight. Like, when I tell you my son is almost 3.5, it's been a long time coming. I went from, after I had him, I gained weight. When he turned 1, I started going to the gym, and then I lost a lot of weight, and then I tore my ACL. Then I gained weight. Then I went back to the gym. I started losing weight. Then my knee started to hurt. Then go back, gained weight. Y'all, my whole adulthood, not adulthood, but since I had my son, been like this. So now we're on the low and steady. So I want to hear from you all down in the comments below. What is your fitness goals? Like, let's talk goals. I think for the next video, I'm going to do a check-in, but I'm going to do some Q&A, like what my goals are for the month, what my goals are for the year, and all of that. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And if you haven't already, check out the merch. We got merch, y'all. So all of that will be linked below. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to drop them below, and I will be answering all questions. See you next week. Bye. Oh no. See you Friday. Bye, guys.